video covering stem and leaf and percentiles. Really focusing on the percentile. We can do stem and leaves in second year, but the meticulousness required to put 30, you can see here, this is a 6 by 5. 30 pieces of data. They're not really testing your mathematical skills, they're testing something else. It's really important to be meticulous and to be able to list numbers in order. So how many different things have we got going on here? So I see an 18, so I'm down as low as 1 and up as high as 10. Do I need to go that many? Yeah, my next lowest value is 42, so I might just have to do 10 rows here. We want them the same width. So if we go column, we've got a 1, so we've got a 0, now 1 is the lowest, 18, so 1, a 2, a 3, 5, 6, 7, an 8, a 9, and a 10. So I've got 100, 56, 65, 98, 95, and 18. Now I've got 94, 99, 48, 90, 89, and 87. Then we're on to column 3, 89, 95, 97, 86, 83, and 88. All high scores: 77, 87, 77, 87, 47, 74, 71, 42, and then we have the last column. I'll go from top to bottom: 67, 76, 43, 61, 58, 56. So my unordered stem and leaf, let's order it here beside it. What we could do is we could rub them out. Could we unorder them? Maybe I'll just do the changes when I'll do them all. Let me just do them all. You try to take shortcuts, and sometimes it's as easy to just do it out. So I've got my 1, my 8, my 2 and 3 have nothing. My 40s have a 2, a 3, a 7 and an 8. My 50s have 2 6s and an 8. My 60s have a 1, a 5 and a 7. My 70s have a 1, a 4, a 6 and a 7. My 80s have a 3. When there's a few, I might mark the first few off anyway. A 3, a 6, 2 7s, a 3, a 6, 2 7s, leaving me with an 8 and 2 9s. A 9 has a 0, a 4 and 2 5s, a 0, a 4 and 2 5s, and we have a 7, an 8 and a 9. 7, 8, 9, and one brilliant student got 100%. So let's see what we're asked about this. Display the data we have, the 40th percentile. Okay, so we have 30 pieces of data. If we multiply to get the 40th percentile, we'll get the number 12, and when it's a whole number, we have to take that one, that 12th piece of data, and the 13th, and divide by 2. So let's count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 and 4 is 5, so the midpoint is 2.5, so that's 72.5. The 70th percentile, 0.7 by my 30. going to give me 21. I'll have to take the 22nd and divide by 2. I was at the 13th, so I can keep going. 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd. Just double check. 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th. So we have the 2 9s, so that equals 89. So this means that 70% of students received a mark of 89 or lower. I have to interpret the meaning of the numbers calculated in the context of the question. That was the 70th percentile. Did we work out the 40th percentile? We did. 72.5. So we can say that 40% of people scored 72.5 or lower. So we look at that lower part in context of the 61. 61 is here. How many scored lower? 3 and 5 is 8 scored lower. So for the 61, 8 scored lower out of 30, which is equal to 8 over 30, 26.6. So we could say then that 61 is in the 27th percentile, or at the 27th percentile.